Another benefit of being the camp cook is you're usually the cleanest individual in camp. You've got access to hot water, all the soap, the towels. So needless to say, after doing all the dishes and stuff at night, clean up while everybody's sleeping off their feast. I'm Jim Markel with Red Oxx Manufacturing. I found this little Helio shower, which is basically a personal shower. I love it for the camp kitchen. Simply fill it full of water, put it in the sun, the water warms up, hit the foot pump, build some pressure, and you've got this handy dandy nozzle here which is all attached for cleaning up. We have some Dr. Bronners. Not only good for your body, but good for everything else you got. It's my one-stop use for everything. It's got castor oil, but having this handy spray nozzle makes cleanup a breeze. Well, we got a saying in the military, travel light, freeze at night. So I'm really a big fan of this vehicle-based expedition travel. You can bring a lot of the comforts of home with you. You know, let's face it, Father Time has been working on me the last few years, so I'm more of a day hiker than a multi-day backpacker these days. I think I put in my time. One of the reasons we love cast iron is you cook low and slow, you don't scorch the pan, you just do a quick rinse out, and basically all you ever really do with your cast iron, you never really try to soap it too much. You just do a quick wipe out with some paper towels, which can then go into the fire. So then this is just ready to go for the next meal. You know, I've done a lot of dry camping where we have very little water and we have to be super conservative with the water. And that, again, that's why a nozzle and the spray unit here, you're using very little water, just like a Navy shower where you wet yourself down, soap up, rinse off, or wipe down. Done. Kind of make like your own handy wipe with a little bit of Bronners soap and a paper towel. Do a quick rinse. If you want to travel in style and traveling by vehicle and comfortably, then having a nice kitchen setup like this, good food, good friends, makes for some really great memories. We've camped all over, mostly the western United States, down into Mexico, all through the Rockies. I've got good friends that I've made that are still, to this day, you know, I consider them some of the best friends I've ever had. We spent a lot of nights on the trail, eating out, sleeping in places, and like I said, discovering things that we probably will never see again. So there it is, you know, a little bit of kitchen waste, some paper towels, no big, you know, 5-gallon bucket of soapy water. So our water consumption was low, our cleanup was quick and easy, our footprint was small. So, you know, as they say, tread lightly, take only pictures, and have a good time. A good meal is a form of love and caring, and, you know, as loving and caring as old Jim can be, this is it, man. I love to cook, and I love to travel, and I love to experience new things. So hopefully these videos have been helpful to you in your travels, and we look forward to making a few more. So thank you.